Today, man versus nature. It's the Lawnmower Man versus the Poison Ivy.
I'm the greatest lawnmower man there is or ever will be. Better than those fucking Mexicans.
We, the Poison Ivy, will never fall. We have taken over this yard, haven't we?
Well, let's get this party started. Let's mow some grass. I will not be defeated. This grass will go down.
Oh no! Don't cut us! We're just poor little flowers!
All grass must be cut. 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 All grass must be cut.
Can't believe he's gonna run over the flower. Don't cut us!
I would never hurt little flowers like you, innocent women and children. I'm not Poison Ivy. I wouldn't do such a thing. Round 1 goes to man. Yes, I've won so far, and I will not be defeated. Poison Ivy shall go down. I will get my victory today.
You will never defeat us, the Poison Ivy. Never.
You're next, Poison Ivy.
We have a trap set for you. A sinkhole. What is this? A sinkhole?
It was dastardly, Poison Ivy.
How did he get it free? We'll have to just make another one.
Coming for you, grass. Poison Ivy, you're all getting chopped.
I don't think so. Another sinkhole.
Let's cut some grass. This grass shall be cut tonight. There is no doubt about it. This grass is ass.
This grass is going down.
Another sinkhole is about to fall into.
Fuck me in the ass. God damn another sinkhole. Fucking Poison Ivy.
Ah, stupid frickin' Poison Ivy. Damn infernal machine stuck again. Sinkholes. Sons of bitches jihad. Durka durka. Lawnmower stuck again.
I'm pushing through this grass. This lawnmower's gotta go. Grass is going down. Stupid grass is going down.
Damn Lawnmower Man, he keeps getting free.
Ah! The motherfucking best lawnmower man in the world. Going down, down, down. The Poison Ivy's going down. Down, down, down. Poison Ivy's going down. You know where you're going down, Poison Ivy? You're going down to Chinatown. You know where you're going down to China? You can get chopped up in little pieces and served to other little Chinese people. You fucking Poison Ivy. You goddamn piece of shit. I'm going down. You're going down. Cause I'm the Lawnmower Man. Yeah.
Oh, darn.
This is it, Poison Ivy. Blades of death are coming down upon you. Scorched earth, motherfucker. Blades of fury, bitches. No. Ah, ah, it burns. It burns. The Poison Ivy is about to be eradicated from this yard. It's going down.
Ah, this last little bit of spirit, such a bitch. Ah, God damn it, I wish I would've eaten that taco this morning. God, baby, fat at my mind. Ah.
My body may be hurting, but my mind is free. I am victorious. Poison Ivy is now defeated. Yes, me! Woohoo! It's hot out here. It's water. I gotta piss. Take a 5-pound shit.